Now we go to solve the third problem of partnership final account. First we read the questions and give proper placement of each item in the questions. Now debit balances of trial account. See, sundry debtors is an asset, therefore write A. Postage telegram is a indirect expenses, write a PD. Machinery is an asset, write A. Opening stock is the first placement of a trading account debit side, just write TD. Furniture is an assets, write A. Purchases is a direct expenses, write TD. Wages is also direct expenses, write a TD. Salary is indirect expenses, write a PD. Carriage inward is direct expenses, write TD. Carriage outward is a indirect expenses, write PD. Rent paid is a indirect expenses, PD. Bad debts is also indirect expenses, PD. Now cash in hand is an assets, write A. Motor car is also assets, write A. Now credit balances. Sangram Capital and Samrat Capital is liability, write L. Now bills payable also liabilities, write L. Creditors is also liability, write L. Sales is a direct income, write a TC. Bank loan is a liabilities, write L. And outstanding wages means wages payable is liability, write L. Now see the adjustment. Profit sharing ratio of Sangram and Samrat is a 3:2. Now in this question we have to divide the profit in this one ratio. Okay. Now go to first adjustment. Closing stock is valued at cost price rupees 45,000 while its market price rupees 50,000. Two prices are given, cost price is given and market price is also given. Principle is that stock valuation is valued at cost price or market price, whichever is lower. Lower price rupees 45,000. Effect will be given of 45,000. First effect will be trading account credit side and second effect will be on asset side. Outstanding expenses where salaries rupees 800, rent rupees 500. It will be added in a salary account, added in a rent account, and second effect will be AL side. We have to take out the salary and rent. Salary here it is, rent here it is. Now third adjustment. Provide depreciation on machinery at 15% and furniture at a 10%. It will be deducted from machinery account and second effect PD. Also deducted from furniture account and second effect will be PD. First we have to take out machinery account here and furniture account here it is. Now see fourth adjustment. Goods costing rupees 3,000 distributed as free sample. Free sample first effect is a trading account credit side and second effect is a PL account debit side, means a TC PD. Now last adjustment. Interest on bank loan is payable rupees 1,500. First effect will be loan will be added and second effect will be PL account debit side PD. We have to take out the loan account. Here it is loan account. Added in loan and second effect PL account debit side. Okay. Now go to enter the figures in answer sheet. Answer sheet will be just like this one. Firm's name is Messrs Sangram and Samrat. Trading and profit and loss account for the end date 31st March 14. Debit, credit. Okay. Now answer word is to be here. Particulars rupees inner outer column. Particulars rupees inner outer column. First part is a trading and second part is a PL. Now see. Opening stock, first placement 32. Right here it is to opening stock. Rupees 32,000. Okay, now see. Stock purchases, right purchase here. Rupees 76,500 outer column. Now see TD item find out. Wages. Right here it is to wages. Rupees 12,000. Again find out TD. Carriage inward. Right here it is carriage inward. rupees 1000. Again find out TD item, nothing. Rate a TC item, buy sales, amount will be 1,18,700. Okay, now TC item complete. TD item 1 2 3 4 4 1 1 2 3 4 1 5. Now adjustment. TC closing stock, right on credit side, buy closing stock rupees 45,000. Lower price is to be recorded. Okay, see again TC1. Now see TC NPD free sample. Right here it is free sample. Rupees 3,000. As per format, closing stock is last item, therefore it is written on middle of the this one. Now close the trial balance. Additions of this one side 700. 8 plus 3 11, 11 plus 5 16, carry 1, 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 4 6, 1,66,700. Write on debit side also 1,66,700. No. From this total, we have to subtract all of these items. How find out this? Last two digit is 0. Last two is 0. You have to write 20. Now see 5. Third digit is 5. Last 7. 7 minus 5 is 2. 4 digit. 2 plus 6 8. 8 plus 2 10. 10 plus 1 11. 11 plus 5 means 16. Right here 5 means 16. 16 1 carry 1. 3 plus 1 4. 4 plus 7 40. 11. 11 plus 1 12. 12 plus 4 16. 1 carry 1 minus 1 0 is GP. Rate of gross profit carried forward. It will be transferred to PL account credit side by gross profit brought forward 45,200. Okay. Now see the PL account debit side. PD item find out. First is salary that we recorded. Salary is 7,000. Write it first time. Two salaries. Tick is given rupees 7,000. Inner column. We have to add one salaries rupees 800. Add outstanding rupees 800. Addition will be 7,800. Now postage. Write postage and telegram rupees 1,000. Next one salary return, carry no return, carry outward. Write to carriage outward. Carriage outward rupees 2,000. Next to rent paid. Rent paid rupees 1,500. Adjustment is given. We have to add one outstanding wages rent 500. Addition will be rupees 2,000. Next one item bad dates. Right here it is bad dates. Bad dates rupees 1,700. Nothing is. We count this figure PD 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay. Now on credit side, find the PC item. Nothing is credit side PC item. Now find the in adjustment PD or PC. PD salary is added, rent is added. Now PD depreciation we have to write. Here it is 2 depreciation. On machinery 15%. Find out machinery figure. 30 50% is a 4500. Second is the furniture is a 10% on 25. It will comes 2500. Okay, now see again PD item free sample rate. Here it is 2 free sample rupees 3000. Again interest on bank loan rupees 1500. Rate here it is 2 interest on bank loan rupees 1500. Okay, now see again expenses return, machinery depreciation return, free sample return, interest return. Okay, now close the PL account. Total of credit side it will be 45,200. Write these figures on debit side also, same line 45,200. From this one we have to subtract all of these items. Now see find how this one. Last two digits are 0 0 0 0 0. Here it is also 0. We write the 0 to 0. Now third digit 8 plus 7 15 15 plus 5 20 20 plus 5 25 25 plus 5 30 30 plus 2 means 32. 3 remains, 3 carry 1. 3 plus 7 10 10 plus 1 11 11 plus 2 13 13 plus 2 15 15 plus 1 16 16 plus 4 20 20 plus 2 22 22 plus 3 25 25 plus 1 26 26 plus 9 26 plus 9 is 35. 3 carry 1, nothing is fifth digit. 4 minus 3 is 1 is a net profit. To net profit transfer to capital account. Partner's name is Sangram and Samrat. Ratio is given 3:2. Okay, we have to how to divide this amount. 19,200 divided by 5. 5 means 3 plus 2 5 divided by 5, which comes 5 3s are 15, 4 remains, 5 80s are 40, 2 remains, 5 4s are 20 and 0 remains. We have to multiply it into 3 and into 2. Then answer will be 3 zeros are 0, 3 4s are 20, 2 carry 1, 8 3s are 24 plus 2 6 and 3 3s are 9 plus 2 11. Now multiply by 2, 0, 8, 6 and 7. We find out the total. 8 plus 2 10, carry 1, 6 6 12, carry 1, 2 plus 7 9, 1 1 7. Okay. Now go to the balance sheet. First we write the asset side. Asset side, firstly fixed assets are recorded. We find out the fixed asset first. Now see here, machinery is a fixed asset. We write first machinery like this one. Tick is there, rupees 30,000. We have to subtract depreciation at 15%, less depreciation at 15%. Rupees 4,500. Deduction will be 25,500. Next one item is a furniture. Right here it is furniture. Okay. Furniture amount will be 25,000. Right, 25,000. Again, less depreciation at a 10%. 10% comes rupees 2,500 and deduction it comes 22,500. Now see next one. Machinery, furniture. Motor car is a fixed asset. Therefore, we have write the motor car. Motor car amount to be 20,000. No adjustment. We write the outer column 20,000. Now see what remains. Nothing is. Now see current assets first recorded. Sundry asset debtors is the current assets. Right here it is. Sundry debtors. No tick. Outside it will comes 28,000. Sundry debtors. Next A is the cash in hand. Right here it is cash in a hand. Amount rupees 8,000. Like this one. Next is a, now see A part 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, complete. Now see again asset side. Here it is a closing stock. Write closing stock asset side. Amount rupees 45,000. Okay. Now next A1. Nothing is. Okay. Now see, write liability side. Capital. Write first line capital. Partner's name is a Sangram. Sangram's capital rupees 50,000. We have to add net profit. Net profit it will be rupees 11,520. We have to add 11,520. Total comes 61,520. Second name is a Samrat. Samrat's capital rupees 40,000. Then we have to add net profit. Okay, net profit it comes share of this one 7,680. Right here is 7,680. Addition will be 47,680. Next one, bills payable liability. Right here it is bills payable. Bills payable rupees 4,000. Next one is a creditors. Right, sundry creditors. Amount rupees 15,000. Next one is a bank loan. Right here is a bank loan. Amount rupees 15,000. Adjustment is there. We have to add interest on bank loan rupees 1,500. Add outstanding interest rupees 1,500. Total will be 60,500. Next remain outstanding wages. Outstanding wages amounted to rupees 3,000. This one completed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now see, L side find out. Here it is L. Outstanding salaries. Outstanding salaries. It comes rupees 800. Now outstanding rent you have to write. Rent rupees 500. Okay. Now see again L1. Okay, nothing is. Now to try to totals of the balance sheet, asset side and liability side. Okay, first we make the total of liability side. C1. Last digit is a 0. Write 0 here. 2 plus 8, 10. 10 is 0, carry 1. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 6, 12. 12 plus 5, 17. 17 plus 5, 25. 25 plus 5, 20. 30. Carry 1. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 7, 11. 11 plus 4, 15. 15 plus 5, 20. 20 plus 5, 26. 26 plus 3, 26 plus 3, 29, carry 1, carry 2, 2 plus 6, 8, 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 1, 13, 13 plus 1, 14. It comes 1,49,000. It's a total. Now, asset side see. Last digit is a 0020. Now third digit 5, 5 plus 5, 10, 10 0, carry 1, 1 plus 5, 6, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 8, 16, 16 plus 8, 24, 24 plus 5, 29. Carry 2, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 4, 14. It comes tally total.